How to get discount on Hopper. To get discounts on Hopper, a popular travel booking app, consider these tips. Keep an eye out for seasonal or promotional codes offered by Hopper. These can be found on their official website, via email newsletters, or third-party sites like RetailMeNot. Hopper offers a feature that allows you to freeze a flight or hotel price for a small fee. If the price increases during the freeze period, you'll still pay the lower rate. Enable price alerts for your chosen flights or hotels. Hopper will notify you when prices drop, helping you secure the best deal. Sometimes, Hopper collaborates with cashback websites or credit card offers. Some discounts may be available exclusively through the Hopper app rather than the website. Hopper offers referral programs where you can earn credits when someone signs up through your referral link. By using these strategies, you may be able to score discounts or save money on your travel bookings with Hopper. Thanks for watching.